Inspiration here was to create a coffee bar, which now I can. We didn't have the space to, and overall this product is really nice. I did take off this second shelf here, which I have over here. Ignore my text message. It did sit across, and my double Keurig here was too big for it, so I did take it off, and it didn't change anything. So I was like, it's fine. It's still really sturdy. It's built nice. I had all of the parts with it. There was extra of everything. I decided to turn it into like a little wine rack area too. And the the cabinets are really nice and they close nice. And it took me a couple of hours to get this done by myself, but overall it was fine. It wasn't too bad. My back hurts though.
Those of you that would like to buy one, I hope you never run into this same situation. I have a drill hole that is not there for me to complete. I cannot put my screw all the way through because the metal on top and the wood piece have the hole, but the metal underneath does not have the hole that lines up. So now what do I have to do? Go out and buy a drill bit, drill the hole so I can complete this. Hopefully you don't run into the same situation. All in all, the baker's shelf itself seems to be pretty nice once I'm able to get it all together. So I had to stop my work. As you can tell, everything is still there. I did put whatever I could back on the shelf until I could complete it and get the things put back on the top. So, the end.
So, we're remodeling, and I'm actually going to be putting a few of them across, extending my cabinetry cheaply. And they are actually really well built. Forgive the disaster. I'm moving everything around still, but they're really nice. Everything in the kit came to build it. It took my husband probably about 2 hours, but he was also watching TV. My daughter and him helped. My daughter helped him. I do recommend 2 people. Other than that, it was pretty straightforward.
On here, it's sturdy. Look, I get to keep all my stuff in here, my coffee, and everything. Definitely a great buy.
Left panel and it should be right panel, but I put inside because it's the wrong one. The both door, it look like one side, left side door they give me wrongly, so I get the wrong door. It should be in the right side panel, but it's left one, like same on this.